Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hello, welcome back. This is just a quick update on what's going on the Discovery. So we have got all the suspension done, as you've seen in the other video. All the underneath's done, the little patch of welding's done. So what we've been doing, I say we, my dad, because I've been working on other stuff. The headliner. So we still got some baggy nets, but they've all got baggy nets. The headliner has been done. Let me just put the light on. The headliner has been done, so that's looking lovely now. They always look good in black. If you want to see headliners, look at our other videos. You'll see what we do with the headliner, how long it takes and how to get it out. It's not that bad, to be honest with you, doing a headliner. But yeah, it just makes the car look so much better when you've got a nice clean headliner in there that's not all hanging down. Another problem that we found is the radio doesn't work. As you can see, it's all hanging out there. So it may be the radio, it may be electric. So we've got another radio, so we're going to plug the radio in and we'll see if that's working. We'll do that in a video. Also the interior lights, I'm not sure whether these is working before, so don't know whether it's something we've done when we took the headliner out or whether it's something to do with something that was already here. Can't remember, so we're gonna have to find out. We've got, as you can see, we've got the multimeter there to start testing things, and then it's on to paint on the roof, on the lacquer. So we're going to rub all that down, repaint the front of it, re-lacquer it, and then polish the entire car. We've got these bits to do on there. It would be nice if we could find a battery tray, but we don't want to travel too far, a battery cover, but we don't want to travel too far. You can see it's lovely and clean under here. You've got some silicone hoses and stuff on there as well. So it's been a well looked after car. So what we've got left on the list to do, we have got a screw in the front tire, so we're going to get that repaired. Refurb wheels. We have started sanding them down. They're starting to look better already. And then MOT, and obviously the repaint the roofs, which I said earlier. The things we've done: side lights fixed with a fuse box, air suspension, front spots have been removed. They didn't work. We took them off. They're completely rotten on the inside. Repair the bumper, as you've seen in the other video. Lovely repair there. Spring conversion done, weld patch and put the bump stop on done, and that's pretty much it. So that's where we am now with it. We're going to do some videos on the painting of the roof and the cleanup, and then you'll see what it's like when it's finally finished. We've got something coming on the Jag because we've got a headlight problem, or indicator problem, that I'm struggling to solve, and I'm hoping to get that sorted out. And we've got some more stuff coming on the bongo. So please like and subscribe for more videos. There will be more stuff coming. It just depends how busy I am and how busy we are to make the video. So we'll do the best we can to make it as many as we can. There's going to be a video maybe on this lift. Is probably going to go up for sale. It's been an absolutely brilliant lift for us. 2.5 ton, and it's portable, and it'll lift any of this stuff quite easy. But we're probably going to be getting a proper fixed lift in here. So might do a video on installing that. Please like and subscribe, comment down below. See you in the next one.